Hi there, I'm Jerry. We just sent this set of 2 portable camping chairs. Now these are not just your everyday ordinary camping chairs because these are aluminum frame. They are very lightweight. They're collapsible. And again, I can't express how lightweight these things are. And to open them up, you just push down on the middle, locks them in taut with the fabric. On the side over here, these come with built-in pockets that you can store things in as you're out camping. If you got a cell phone, wallet, anything like that, you can keep things in there, store those in there nice so that you've got that. But in addition, on this side over here, we've got a little side table that comes up, locks into place so that you can go ahead and put your drinks, water, morning coffee or something in there. And that way, whenever you're out camping, everything you need is right there. Take a phone call, need to put a cell phone in the side pocket, everything stays nice and compact. Whenever you are ready to leave for your traveling day, you just remove all your items. And this actually collapses down really easy. We're going to put this side back down here. You can lift up on the middle, release the tension. It folds up. Again, comes in a 2-pack, so we've actually got 2 of them. And these, because they collapse down, don't take up a lot of space. It's really easy just to travel with them, put them in your car. Maybe you're going to go to a sporting event or something, and they'll go right in there like that so that you're ready to go to the next event.